Alright guys, welcome back. Another Matty Ice how-to. So what we're doing now is reinstalling your battery. I've done this before, but figured it would be good just to do a standalone video on this. Before reinstalling your battery, for example, I had this trickle charging the entire winter. It's the second year now. What you want to do before installing any battery, check for leaks, obviously any corrosion. If you see corrosion or leaks, you need to replace the battery. I just looked at this one, looks good. It's got a little dirt on it, but there's no corrosion here. And since it was trickle charging, we should have a good charge on this. So let's drop it back in. To drop it in, all you have to do is lift up the seat on your tractor. Take your battery, just maneuver it behind these little wires right here, and then it drops right in. Make sure your wires are right here in the space provided for them. And then you have your positive and then your negative terminals. If you don't know which one's which, this one's marked plus sign right here, and a minus sign right there for negative. We get these two little bolts right here that have these little ends on them that just, unscrew and screw on. And then we will need ourselves a socket. The size for these, in case you were wondering, the size we'll be needing is 3/8. That's the size of these little ends right here. And then we'll need just a wrench to hold the other side while we snug it on. Hand tight for most of the way. Okay, so now we're ready to connect everything. As you can see right here, I have wrapped a little electrical tape around these on the winter so we didn't get any corrosion on there. So let's open them up and see what they look like. Looks good. No corrosion visible. Still shiny metal. That's exactly why I put the electrical tape on there, because you never know, there's going to be moisture, and the animal could have crawled on there and put something on there or peed on there if I was a mouse. Let's unwrap the negative one too. Okay, there we go. Looks excellent, still bright and shiny. Now, very importantly, when you're working with batteries, connect the positive first. Never connect negative first. If you connect negative first, you run the risk of shorting something out. So we will connect our positive, which is red, to our positive, which is marked with our plus sign right here. And this is just a standard drag over, and then we will tighten her on. And then after the positive one's connected, we'll do the same to the negative. I'll probably speed this part up so I don't bore you guys. Okay, there's your positive side, and put the red cap over top for safety. Okay, that's it for the actual battery. So what is left to do is just install the little retention bracket. It's right here. And then down like so, and that keeps the battery secure. Do not clamp your wires. Make sure that this and your negative are outside, and that's it. Your battery's connected. You should have good energy now, assuming it's a new battery or you've trickle charged it. Yeah, that's it. So the next part would be to fill up your gas tank, make sure your tires have pressure, and then you're ready to go. Start cutting. All right guys, that's it for this one. We'll catch you next time. Have a good night.